Okay, so let's jump into creating your first playlist. So by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create a playlist by either manually entering songs or importing from a text file. So let's get started. To create a playlist, all you need to do is click Add Playlist and give it a name. Then to manually add songs, you just click Add Song and type the title and artist. Click Add, and the song will be added and it will remain open for you to create another one. Okay, so as you can see, you can add as many songs as you like manually, but it is a process. Obviously, if you had a list, you could cut and copy, but it takes time. So there is a quicker way, and that's import from file. So I'll just open up the file so you can see its structure. So as you can see, the file structure for an import file is the song title and the artist. In this case, the song title is in quotes, and then there's a space, a dash, and a space, and then the artist. Now you can either choose to use the quotes or not use the quotes. It's totally up to you. But basically, this is the way you would structure an import file. One song per line, song title, space, dash, space, and then the artist. And then what the system will do is it will split the line, it will split it on the dash so it knows that the first part is the title, second part is the artist. So if you've got your song list, your playlists in like spreadsheets and that sort of stuff, you can export out in this format to bring into the Music Bingo card generator. In a bonus lesson, I'll show you how to create playlists using AI, and the prompt I give you there will actually produce the playlist in the correct format for you, ready to go. Okay, so just to see this in action, I'm going to click Import from File, and I'm going to select the file, and it's this one here, Karaoke Kryptonite. I go Open, and I go Import, and 75 songs brought in. Okay, and as you can see, it's all been brought in nice. It's been split between the title and the artist correctly. Now, if you don't want a song in your playlist, it's very easy. All you do is just come up to it and you delete. So I might just delete those ones that I entered manually before, and now I can save this and then click save. Now it's important that everything done on this screen is all in memory. Nothing's been written back until you click save. So any changes you make, anything you do there, you must click save. If you need to change anything in either the title or the artist, it's all inline editing. So you just go into the field and you can edit directly in the field. Okay, once you're finished, just click save, and that's it. Your playlist has been created.